Hey guys, back again with another demo. Today we're going to show you how to use your offers on Groupon to attract customers into your store. So basically this is going to be using your digital signage to drive people into your store by letting them know that you have some offers going on Groupon. So right now this is a story that we have, and if you want to add that to your story, you just go over to templates, and we have a really nice template already made out for you specifically for Groupon. Click on that template. Okay, if you look down here, that template's now added to your story. So what you want to do is click on that QR code and click on the barcode that's right up here. And you're going to put the link from your Groupon page in that area. So go to your Groupon page and copy your link, put it in that area and hit add QR code. Okay, delete the old one and take that new QR code and just scale it and size it to the white box and click save. Now as you can see, that Groupon slide is now part of your story. Now all you got to do is broadcast it to your display. Go over to broadcast and select which display you want it to go on and click broadcast, and there you go. Now this story, including the Groupon slide with the QR code to your Groupon page, is playing on your display. If you can imagine, if a customer is walking by your store and you have a window display, for instance, all they have to do is scan that code and they can order a service or a product from you with the discount from Groupon. It's a great way to let people know that you have some coupons to offer, and it's really simple to add it to your story. Well, I hope you found this demo helpful, and thank you for using Display.Stream.